We will be moving as of February 1st. We're going to try to get in here February 1st. Has a lot of renovations, new flooring, paint, all that sort of stuff. Here's your entryway, your check-in space. Moving backwards to the south side of the clinic. There's be my office. Treatment room number 1 here. Nice ceilings, windows. The wall on the right here will be gone. That will be all treatment and instructional space. Another treatment room, third treatment room, and then we have a 4th treatment room here, which will be our pelvic floor space. It has a bathroom attached to it. Can't see that. Then we move into the back of the clinic, the institute. Small bathroom here, of course. And then we have our break/meeting room. Nice view of the Great Salt Lake. This used to be a dental surgical center, so it's piped for gases, nitrogen, oxygen, so forth. So we'll be having some of those features in the future. Therapy space, and this will be a hyperbaric chamber room for hyperbaric chamber therapy. And then we'll have, of course, laundry, lots of it. And then to the left here, it's piped for nitrogen, so we'll be having cryotherapy in there. Second treatment or second entrance there. Another treatment space, unsure yet. This is either high risk or procedure room for like IV therapy and shots and things of that nature. Nice bathroom. And some of this will be renovated. We're going to keep the nice beautiful wood. Put some carpet in here. That's Miss Sarah giving us a tour. That's the front. And we have also office, supply, storage, all to be renovated. And then this will be our therapy space, and this will be completely blown out, and we'll be using this for course instructional space as well. So we'll give you some updates as we go.